Thanks for watching WP Beginner. Today you'll learn how to fix the 500 internal server error in WordPress. If you see any error on your site, it's never a good sign, but we'll go over some issues and possible solutions to solve them. The internal server error isn't really specific to WordPress, but rather the server that your site is being hosted on. Some of the typical causes are corrupted htaccess file, PHP memory limit, and if it's an error with WordPress, it's usually an issue with a plugin or theme functions. So let's go through how to handle all of these issues. To check the htaccess file, just FTP to your site and rename the htaccess file to something like htaccess old. Then go to your site and see if it comes up. If you can access your site, then that was the issue, and you just need to go into Settings, Permalinks, and click Save to rewrite the access file. Next thing to check is increasing the PHP memory limit to fix the error. To do this, you can create a php.ini file, add this code to it, and save it to the WP admin folder. If you don't see the internal error, then you know this is the issue, and you'll need to dig in a little deeper to find out what's causing the memory limits to be reached. You might need to ask your hosting company to look at the server logs to help with troubleshooting that issue. Next, you can deactivate all your plugins. Using FTP, go to your plugins folder and rename it to something else, anything else. I'll do plugins.deactivate. Once I do that, all my plugins will become deactivated on my site, and if I can access my site, then one of the plugins is causing the issue. Now I can log into my dashboard, go into the plugin section, and reactivate them one by one to see which one is breaking my site. One last thing to do is to upload the WP admin and WP includes folder from a fresh WordPress install to see if this solves any file corrupt issues. Finally, you can ask your host provider for assistance with your internal server error issue. You can see if they can check their server logs and see what might be causing the problem. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, click on the like button below and leave us a comment. And if you want to receive more helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out WPBeginner.com for more useful information on WordPress.